Hello, myself Javito Fernandes from Department of Civil Engineering of Girijabai Sail Institute of Technology College. So, I will be showing the analysis of 23-story tall building. Here, I have defined different material properties of section and different section properties which are as seen over here. Material properties such as M40, HYST 500, mile 250. Section properties such as beam auto select and column auto select, wherein we have defined different dimension of the beams and column, which will automatically select the beam and column. I have also defined different load cases such as dead load, live load and wind load, which can be seen over here. The dead load which I have assigned is 2 kN per meter square for whole of the building, which can be seen over here. The live load of 5 kN per meter square which I have assigned for each similar story of 1 to 8 story. And 4.5 kN per meter square for each similar story of 9 to 14 story. And 4 kN per meter square for each similar story of 15 to 19 story. And 3.5 kN per meter square for each similar story of 20 to 23 story. And also, I have assigned wind load considering the location as Bangalore. Now, I will assign the building. I'll go to Analyze, Run Analysis. So, this will take little time because the building which we are analyzing is of 23 story. The progress of our analysis can be seen at the left bottom corner. So we'll wait for it until it gets analyzed. Now, if you right click on any section, you'll find the displacement and drift values. So, if you want to see the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram, we'll go to Display, Force Stress Diagram, and in that, Frame Spears, we can check shear force diagram, bending moment diagram over here. I click on shear force diagram. We can choose any of the two options here, fill diagram or show values. I click on apply. So here you can see the shear force diagram. Click on OK to exit. Now we'll design the section and check whether the members have passed or not. So for that, we'll go to Design, Concrete Frame Design. Under that, View Revise Preference. See that the design code is selected as IS456-2000. Now click on OK. Now go to Design again, select Concrete Frame Design, go to Start Design Check. This will take time as it is 23-story tall building. So we'll wait for it until it gets completed. Now we can see the detailing of the section. So we'll go to details to check the complete details of the section. Now we'll see that whether the members have passed or not. So go to Design, Concrete Frame Design, verify all members passed. It is showing that all concrete frames passed the design check. Click on OK. Now, since we have designed, we can create the report of our project. So, the report has been already created in the left side of our screen. So, we'll click on Summary Report. This will take little time. So, the report of our final project is ready. So, here you can find all the details of your final project report. So that's all. Thank you.